here it is, day 2 after 2 years of ignoring this leak. So here's the pipe leading underneath the tree. Over there's the other piece of pipe. So now, I'm not going to go under it, not going to go over it, going to go around it. Hopefully it's a pretty straightforward fix and hopefully pretty cheap. Like to do things on the cheap, so no special tools required. Found this bit of pipe just in the backyard. Hopefully it's about the same size, should be. Just got to cut it to size, put a couple of joiners in, get into it. Cleared away all this plant material from the pipe. Now, don't hate me, but this is what I'm going to do. Use the secateurs. Really low density poly, this stuff, really easy to cut through. Shouldn't do too much damage. Done. Sometimes putting these joiners into this high density poly pipe is really tough. One of the best tools you can use is this. Alright, the joiner's in. For once I've remembered to put a clip on that side. Hopefully this pipe is the right length. Yep, it's going to go pretty close. Alright, let's do it. There's one. And there's 2. Now for the moment of truth. Hill beauty. So far so good. It's holding. These sprinkles have never had as much water coming out now.